wanting to incorporate some pants into your wardrobe suddenly? Here are a few tips on how to do it successfully and not look too casual. That is the key. So with pants, always consider proportions. That's what it's all about. You want to also consider always adding a third piece to finish the look. So proportions, this is what I'm talking about. If you have a straight leg pant that's pretty fitted, then you can get away with a blousey blouse, maybe with a peplum around it and just more blouse, more volume on top, and that will always look super cute. You could get away with wearing that with some flats or some heels. Now, if you choose to wear a long pant that is a straight leg, that with a pair of heels, that is going to make you look so tall, for sure. And then if you add that with a fitted top and a jacket, it's going to have a very polished look. So those are 2 tips that I highly recommend. Pay very close attention to your proportions and always add a third piece. So I'm talking about a jacket, a sweater, a belt, and of course some jewelry. So those are my tips for you today. I will keep them coming if you wish. Happy pant wearing. And if you don't have anything in your closet, don't sweat it. It's okay. But be very intentional when you go shopping to find something that is appropriate, that is dignified and not casual. From what I have observed, heels really elevate the look and elongate the leg, which is very nice. But also, like I mentioned, add a third piece to finish the look. I am a closet coach, and one of my superpowers is coming into your closet and showing you things that you don't even see. So often we just lose perspective about the clothes that we have hanging in our closets. And so it's so much fun to just say, hey, have you considered putting this with this or that with that? It is really such a joy. I'm a closet coach, and I help people to nest pretty, which is all about living your best life by choice. I hope these tips help you just a little bit in looking for and wearing a few pants in your life. Have a great evening. Bye.